Across India, we trust the water in our homes. But what looks clear often hides a truth we can't see. High TDS, heavy sediments, invisible impurities. And when the filter is weak, all of this reaches your body every single day. Filters clog too fast, water starts tasting strange, and replacements feel never-ending. That's why Livpure brings the next generation 2x power filters, engineered for India's most challenging water conditions. Built to last up to 2 years, twice the lifespan of regular filters. With free installation, 2 years of lasting comfort, and unlimited repair visits, this gives you complete peace of mind. Engineered to handle TDS up to 1500 ppm. With a capacity of 14,000 litres, you enjoy longer usage between replacements and uninterrupted reliability. And the smartest part, Livpure's maintenance plan costs just ₹4990 every alternate year, while other brands charge almost the same amount every single year, which means you save up to 21,000 rupees in 8 years. Every drop goes through Livpure's 6-stage advanced purification, removing what's harmful, retaining what's essential, and delivering water that your family can trust. And it is enriched with natural goodness of copper, protecting your water from harmful microbes, calming inflammation, aiding digestion and metabolism, and boosting immunity, so every glass adds a little more health to your home. Better water isn't just convenience, it's care. And Livpure's 2x power filters ensure your family gets nothing less than safe, healthy, worry-free water. Livpure makes purified water more accessible with India's largest range of maintenance-free water purifiers. And now, we introduce a new innovation that keeps ownership costs low. The reliable Zeno range, now available at your nearest general trade outlets. Livpure 2x power filters. Double the life, double the value, double the protection. Livpure, crafted for your well-being.